Hi friends, Namaste. This is Dr. Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show very simple yoga stretches using the chair. This is called chair yoga. This is very useful for seniors and people with the knee joint pains who cannot sit down. They are not only elders, even anyone can do this chair yoga. When you get some time in the office, if you are tired of sitting in the office in the same position, you also can try these stretches, okay, whenever it is possible. So let's start. Simple one. Breathe in and stretch your hands. Breathing out, just bend as much you can, or you can support your hand and bend. 1, 5 deep breaths, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathing in, come up and change side, hold the left hand down and stretch other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now place your left hand over the right side, okay, over the right leg, and hold it on the right side. Take the right hand back onto the backrest of the chair and twist. You can twist your spine and turn back as much you can. Hold. You can feel a lot of stretch here in the spine and in the waist. Okay. 1, 5 deep breaths. 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. You can see a lot of twist in the spine. Those very, very good spinal twist. Now change side. Take the right hand over the left thigh. Left hand on the backrest of the chair. Breathing in. Breathe out and twist as much you can. Twist yourselves depending on the flexibility of your spine. Twist back and hold here. 1, 2, 5 deep breaths. 3, 4, 5. Breathe in and come to the center. Now we will do the warrior pose with chair. So many variations of warrior pose we can do with the chair very easily. Okay. Now first we will stretch right leg, right side, okay, and take your hips little away from the chair, center of the chair, and bring your left leg completely left side. If you can, rest your toes, it's good, okay. Now stretch your right leg straight and perpendicular foot, okay. Now you are here, twist yourselves front towards left side and breathe in. Bend as much you are comfortable. This is warrior 1 we are doing with the help of chair. 1, 5 deep breaths. 2, 3, 4, 5. So easily you can do with the help of chair. Now we will do the warrior 2. Stretch hands. Look at the tip of left hand fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. Now take your right hand on the right leg. Okay, keep your right leg straight. If you cannot take it very far, you can keep wherever you are, fine. Now stretch. Right hand, roll it down the right leg and take your left hand over the head. Reverse warrior. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. We can do the extended angle also. Left elbow, bring it on the left knee and take your right hand over the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathing. flexible, you can take your left hand down. Slowly, you can take it down beside your left foot and take your right hand over the head. Extended angle, very, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in, bring your hand onto the chair and lift yourselves up. Now we can do the twisted angle also. Now just take both the hands on the backrest and twist yourselves. This way, or we will do another way. Palms together in Namaskar Mudra. Twisting your spine, bring your right elbow to the left knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. Come to the center and relax. So this is so easily you can do with the help of chair, and you can do the hip opening stretches, spinal twists, so many. Okay? We will repeat with the other side, same yoga stretches of warrior. So shift yourselves to the left side and stretch your left leg. Adjust your right foot. Okay, left foot is perpendicular. Now twist your spine. Right side. Hands in Namaskar Mudra. Stretch up. Stretch your spine as much you are comfortable. No need of going too much back. It's fine. Just if you are here, it's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in and come up into warrior 2. Look at the right hand fingertips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in, breathing out. Left hand on the left leg. Reverse warrior, twist back. You can feel a lot of stretch in the hips and spine. 1, 5 deep breaths. 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathing into warrior 2 and right elbow on the right knee. Stretch left hand over the head. 1, 2, 3, 4. Deep breathing. 5. Rest your left hand on the chair and slowly, if you can, reach the floor in front of the right foot. Place your hand down. Take your left hand over the head. Extended angle, very good stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly bring your hand on the chair, support yourselves and lift up. Okay, also we will do the twisted angle. Palms in Namaskar Mudra. Take a deep breath in and breathing out. Bring your left elbow to the right knee and twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in and adjust yourselves to the center of the chair. Okay, so much stretch and lot of hip opening. It's very, very good stretch. Okay, next one, separate your legs. Breathe in, breathing out. Now hold the legs of the chair and just walk down and bend. You can see a lot of hip opening. Okay, this is also very good stretch. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathing. Hold the legs and come up. Okay. I will show other direction also. Separate legs. Breathe in. Walk your hands down the legs of the chair. Bring your hands down. and bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in, hold the chair and supporting yourselves, lift yourselves up. Okay. Now bring your knees together. One more. Twisting spine. Sit comfortably, knees together. Breathe in. Bring your left hand up. Breathing out. Twisting your spine, bring the left hand on the outside of right foot. Now stretch right hand up. Again twisting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the chair and rise up. This is again twisted chair pose, but with the help of chair we are doing. Breathe in, right hand up. Twisting as you breathe out, twisting yourselves. Rest your right hand on the outside of left foot and stretch left hand up. Try to twist your spine and look at the upper hand. 1, 5 deep breaths. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the chair. Breathing in, come up. Okay, now back rest and just lift your legs. Hold here straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. Okay, one more standing stretch. Stand with right leg behind the left, both the feet facing front. Breathe in. Breathing out, bending from the hips and reach the top of the edge of the chair and bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. Now rest your right hand or right elbow on the chair and twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And come up. Change. We will repeat with the other leg. Both the feet, one behind the other. Breathe in. Breathing out. Bend from the hips and slowly reach the backrest of the chair and bend your head. You feel a lot of stretch in the front leg. This is very, very good. Triangle pose modified. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. Rest your left elbow down. Twisting your spine. Breathe in. Straight right hand up. And try to look up. 5 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hand down. Lift up. Bring the leg front. Okay friends, so this way you can modify the postures with the help of chair and do very easily so many difficult stretches also. Okay, so keep practicing and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Namaste.